In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall ChatGPT Windows. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in settings and what to click on, whether you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10. This process is safe and only takes a minute. Before you begin, close ChatGPT if it's open so the uninstall goes smoothly. Start by opening the Start menu. You can click the Windows icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. From here, open Settings. If you don't see it right away, type Settings into the Start search and select it, or press Windows +I as a shortcut. Depending on your device, you might be asked for permission to make changes. That's normal when adjusting apps. Inside Settings, go to the Apps section. This is where Windows manages all installed applications. On Windows 11, you'll see an Apps category in the left sidebar. On Windows 10, it's labeled Apps as well, and works the same way. Next, choose the page where app entries are listed. On Windows 11, click Installed Apps. On Windows 10, click Apps and Features. Both views show the full list of programs on your computer. Now, find ChatGPT. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to save time. Just type ChatGPT. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check your spelling. If the app isn't installed on this device, it simply won't show in the list, and there's nothing else you need to do. When you see ChatGPT, it's time to uninstall. On Windows 11, click the three-dot menu to the right of the app's name and choose Uninstall. On Windows 10, click the app entry itself, then click Uninstall. Windows will usually show a confirmation prompt saying the app and its related info will be removed. Confirm by selecting Uninstall again. You may see a brief progress indicator. Just give it a moment. If the uninstall option is grayed out, make sure ChatGPT isn't running in the background. Close it and try again. Once the process finishes, ChatGPT disappears from the list. That confirms the uninstall is complete. If you had the app pinned to your taskbar or Start, the icon might remain until you unpin it, but it won't launch the app anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall it later from the official source. That's it. Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, or Apps and Features, find ChatGPT, then uninstall. Pause or replay this video if you want to follow along step by step while you do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Windows apps with confidence.